Hey everyone, welcome back into tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the McDonald's application on Android. Sometime it will be not working. So in this video, I will guide you step by step process how to fix that McDonald's app not working on Android. So let's get started to the video. First of all, open your setting application on your mobile device. Now search for app. Now you can see here apps is there, tap on that. Inside that you can see the manage apps, tab on that. Now you can see search for a McDonald's application. Now you can see your McDonald's app information. If it will be not working, now you can see here at the left side down force stop is there, tab on that. As mine is working, so it is not showing any issue in this. So if it will be not working on you, tab on that, and after that click on that clear default. As mine is no default set is there, so it is not showing. So after doing all those process, then go and reset this mobile, then tap on that McDonald's app on your Android mobile, so it will start working. If it will be not working, then go and update that application on your mobile device. So in this way you can fix the McDonald's app not working on your Android mobile. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.